Hello guys, this is me and today I'm gonna show you how to download Blender. So so I've deleted Blender because I want to download a new version, but if you don't have Blender, it's for them. Here is it. So any new versions can be released like Blender 5.1. And what is Blender Experimental? Blender Experimental is has alpha, beta, and RC versions. Well, it's a final version, so that's why I'm gonna show you how to download it. You guys. I said you guys. Just destroy that subscribe button and break that like button. So let's go. Let's press download Blender and give it back to Blender. Don't be scared because you didn't purchase. It just wants you to donate. But if you don't want to donate, then just close the tab and wait until the disk is ready. Okay, so I want to make it quick and simple, so wait. And guys, I have to say an important talk. I want to talk with you something important. Don't let your files mess up with Blender Experimental because it might be dangerous. But it hopefully has early access. Look, my disk is ready. So let's open it. Here is it. Since it's a Mac tutorial, I might not include the Windows tutorial now. Since I have Blender now completed. See? Now let's open it. If it says something that do you want to open Blender, then okay. So now we're here in this new version. So here is it. And if you like this video, guys, then subscribe. Bro, come on.